We are pleased to show you the 2015
Lincoln MKS.
with standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade. The Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power brakes, child safety locks, power windows, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a 200-point inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a 6-year, 100,000-mile comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.